Ranks in the bottom half of the United States for child well-being, according to the latest report from the Indiana Youth Institute. The data collected covers a wide range of data impacting the lives of Hoosier children.
So our Rich and I today went through the report and joins us now with a closer look at the data tonight and lets us know how we're doing in helping our children, because we all want them to grow up healthy and happy, and unfortunately in many cases that's not happening, Rich.
Well, this big thick book that I'm holding right now is the 2022 Indiana Kids Count Data Book. 240 pages of statistics, graphs, and charts that track the data that impact Indiana children. The report ranks Indiana 29th nationally for overall child well-being for the third straight year. The Indiana Youth Institute summarized the comprehensive data for policymakers and child advocates gathered at the Indiana Senate chambers. The report is broken down into 4 categories. Indiana ranks worst in health, 36th nationally, and worst among bordering states. This includes issues like infant mortality, obesity, kids without health insurance, and child death rates.
So we really need to take this to heart and say, how do we lean in and really focus on the health and well-being? And so that's physical health, but it's also emotional and social well-being of our kids.
Indiana ranks 26th in prevalence and access to mental health services. More than half of Indiana children with a mental health condition did not receive treatment in 2019 and 20. Indiana students who feel hopeless or considered suicide is higher than the national average. The state's mental health provider ratio is 590 to 1, which is an ongoing improvement compared to years past.
For mental health providers to make sure that we have them available and that they are able to serve the unique needs of children based on their age and based on the situation that they're in. One mental health provider can't necessarily serve all people.
We rank 17th for education, but the state ranks 41st for pre-K enrollment. Only 41% of kids ages 3 and 4 are in preschool. 87% graduate high school on time, and 56% of those graduates go on to college within a year. Our kids rank 18th in economic well-being and 31st in family and community. Now, all this data is available to the public online at iyy.org. I'll also link you in my online story. You can also see snapshots of your county. And at 6 o'clock, we're going to look at Indiana's growing and the growing diversity in Indiana's child population.